Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. The getpass module in Python is a standard library module that allows you to prompt the user for a password or any sensitive information without echoing the input on the screen. This is useful for scenarios where you want to hide the input from being displayed on the terminal for security reasons. Here's a brief tutorial on how to use the getpass module in Python. 1. Import the getpass module. 2. Use the getpass.getpass function to prompt the user for input without echoing it. 3. You can also provide a custom prompt message as an argument to getpass.getpass. 4. The input provided by the user using getpass.getpass will not be displayed on the screen, ensuring that sensitive information like passwords are kept secure. Here's a complete code example demonstrating the usage of the getpass module. When you run this code, the user will be prompted to enter their username and password, with the password input hidden on the screen. The entered username and password will then be displayed back to the user for verification. This is how you can use the getpass module in Python to securely prompt users for sensitive information without displaying it on the screen.